Cards to Spirit project was created to offer humanity a different way of learning. The box is decorated with 4 tiger eye crystals, copper sheet and stitched leather. On the inside, there is a painting with the Tree of Life and a handmade text that describes the name of the box. The set contains 10 cards. Each card was custom made with a painting and a description for each spiritual subject that it contains. Every card has a key, with a unique QR code that will automatically link you to its video where you can find more about each individual subject. To remove the cards more easily, a bookmark was created, out of a piece of red leather that hides under the inside of the box. Each card contains symbols that will create wonders in the viewer's imagination. Using the same matrix we can create a library for various other subjects that will bridge technology with art and learning with creativity, making a product that can have multiple levels of understanding of the same essence.